Okay, we're on a semi right now. He has one light to the right. Blink. Let's let him cruise by. Let's let him cruise by. Let's let the fucker go. Let the fucker go. Now we feel. Oh, I feel the cold coming off of it. Ooh, super cold. Oh my God. Just something coming up. So it's a pretty warm day, and if I feel super cold coming off this truck like that, that means what's inside is going to be below 200 degrees, below 300 degrees. What's inside is going to be dewars. Okay, you're going to have dewars. I can feel the cold from here. I can feel the cold. I can feel the cold from here. I can feel it. Okay, so what you're having is dewars. You're going to have dewars. Yeah, see, look at that.